Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Abra Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to download Abra Wallet application on your mobile device. Once you've done so, tap it open. From the first interface of Abra, tap on the continue button at the bottom and enter your first and the last name. Once you are done, tap on continue. Enter a valid email address that you have access to and tap on continue. If you've got a referral code with you, simply enter it inside the text box. If not, tap on skip at the bottom. Select your country from the first drop down and tap on and type in a valid mobile number and tap on the continue button. Enter a 4-digit PIN in order to protect your account and your funds in it. Confirm your PIN by re-entering it again and then enter it in the next page where it says confirm your PIN, and then you will be able to sign up for Abra Wallet. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.